Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps this channel grow and reach more people. Today we're making brownie cookies. We're going to start with 4 ounces of unsweetened cocoa powder and sift that to remove any lumps. Going to add half a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of espresso powder, really bring out that chocolate flavor, and then 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm going to take a whisk, get our dry ingredients ready to go, and notice there's no flour in this recipe, so it's a great gluten-free option. Put that to the side. We'll get the rest of our ingredients going. Got another bowl here. Add half a cup of white sugar, half a cup dark brown sugar. In our electric mixer, combine the sugars. And I got half a cup of unsalted butter that I melted down. We'll add that to the sugar and incorporate that. And these brownie cookies are going to have a chewy, fudgy center and an exterior with that crust that you get on a perfectly cooked tray of brownies. It's a perfect combination. So now I got 2 whole eggs. We'll add those one at a time with our mixer running, and we want to fully incorporate those eggs. Add our other egg here. So now we want to beat this mixture on high for at least 2 minutes, and this is going to incorporate air into the batter, and it's going to give us a perfect texture for our brownie cookies. If you saw my brownie recipe, this is the same process. And after 2 minutes, you could see the color change in the batter and the thickness. And that's exactly what we're looking for. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, mix that in, and that will bring back our dry ingredients. Add that a little bit at a time, and with our mixer running, you could see that this is just going to make a mess. So stop using your electric mixer, because it's a very bad idea, because the kitchen's just going to be covered in cocoa powder. Add the rest of the dry ingredients and use a rubber spatula, which I should have done in the first place, and fold that in. And it's going to look like it's too dry, but just keep mixing it together and it'll come together. Just like that. That looks perfect. That's the consistency we're looking for. And now we could add 4 ounces of dark chocolate chips. Fold that into our batter. And as these cookies bake, those dark chocolate chips are going to melt and give these brownie cookies a beautiful fudgy texture. So this batter is ready to go, and we want to let this sit for about a half hour in the fridge. Now that our batter is set, we can start scooping these out. I got a scooper here, and I have a sheet tray lined with a silk pad. If you don't have that, you can use parchment paper, no problem. We're going to get about 12 cookies per tray. I have my oven preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, and these are going to bake for about 13 minutes. You don't want to over bake these. After 13 minutes, these are ready to go. And it might seem like they're undercooked. It's still going to be soft in the center, but don't worry. They are done. Do not over bake these. Just let them rest 15 minutes or so, and they will be perfect. We want that chewy center. Arrange these brownie cookies on a plate, and these are ready to enjoy. I like to top these with some Maldon sea salt. Give it some added flavor if you like. Break one of these open. And that's what we're looking for. Chewy, fudgy, gorgeous brownie cookies right there. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe for brownie cookies. Don't forget these are gluten-free. Hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.